Welcome students. Today we are going to show that Poisson distribution is a limiting case of binomial distribution. By applying some of the restrictions on the parameters of the binomial distribution, we can derive the Poisson distribution. So now we can show that one. The Poisson distribution is said to be a limiting case of binomial distribution by considering the following conditions. The first condition is n tends to infinity. The number of trials in the binomial distribution we consider as a finite. Now we can treat that it tends to infinite number of trials. And the probability of the success p tends to 0. And np, the mean of the binomial distribution, is mean of the Poisson distribution, where we can rewrite this one as a p is equal to lambda by n. Consider the np as the lambda. Now we can write this one as p is equal to lambda by n. Now the PMF, the probability mass function of binomial distribution, is written as p of x is equal to ncx p power x q power n minus x. ncx into p power x q power n by q power x. As we know, the total probability as the 1, I can write q as the 1 minus p. Now ncx into p power x into 1 minus p power n by 1 minus p power x. As p power x and 1 minus p power x, the powers are same, I am going to rewrite this one as the p by 1 minus p power x into 1 minus p power n. So I am going to expand the ncx, n into n minus 1 into n minus 2 and so on, n minus x plus 1 into n minus x factorial by n minus x factorial into x factorial, and substitute the p as the lambda by n. As in the third point we have considered np is equal to lambda. From that one, p as the lambda by n. Lambda by n whole power x into 1 minus lambda by n whole power n. From this one, take the n as the common from all the terms, and n minus x factorial and n minus x factorial get cancelled. Now n power x into 1 minus 1 by n, 1 minus 2 by n and so on, n minus of x minus 1 by n divided by x factorial into 1 minus lambda by n whole power x into lambda by n whole power x into 1 minus lambda by n whole power n. Now apply the limits n tends to infinity. Now we can write as limit n tends to infinity into n power x 1 minus 1 by n, 1 minus 2 by n and so on, 1 minus x minus 1 by n into lambda power x by n power x into 1 minus lambda by n whole power n divided by x factorial into 1 minus lambda by n whole power x. Now we know that limit n tends to infinity, 1 minus 1 by n whole power n is a e power minus lambda, and limit n tends to infinity, 1 minus lambda by n whole power alpha is equal to 1, where alpha is not a function of n. Then we can write that value as the 1. So by applying these two to all the terms here in the numerator part, now we can get, and here n power x and n power x will get cancelled. Take the lambda power x and x factorial outside of the limits, we can get lambda power x by x factorial into limit n tends to infinity, 1 minus lambda by n whole power n divided by limit n tends to infinity, 1 minus lambda by n whole power x. Now we can rewrite this one as lambda power x by x factorial into e power minus lambda by 1, which is equal to e power minus lambda power x by x factorial, which is the PMF or the probability mass function of Poisson distribution. As we consider the binomial distribution probability mass function and applying the some of the restrictions as p tends to 0 and n tends to the infinity and p as the lambda by n value, now we have derived the probability mass function of the Poisson distribution, which is nothing but e power minus lambda power x by x factorial. So we can say that the Poisson distribution as the limiting case of the binomial distribution. Thank you.